Are you tired of waking up feeling exhausted, or simply want to improve the quality of your sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with poor sleep, and it can negatively impact various aspects of our lives. The mysteries of sleep have puzzled scientists for centuries, but today, we're going to dive deep into the science of sleep and its profound effects on our lives. We'll delve into the fascinating world of sleep and discover the science behind it, its impact on our lives, and practical tips to enhance your sleep quality for more energized and productive days. Let's dive in. The question of why we sleep has intrigued scientists for decades. Sleep is not just a passive state of rest, but a complex and dynamic process that affects various functions in our bodies. We spend about a third of our lives asleep, and this isn't by accident. From memory consolidation to physical recovery, sleep serves a host of vital functions. To understand the importance of sleep, let's first explore what happens when we sleep. Sleep is divided into two main stages: rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, and non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep consists of three stages. N1 or stage 1, this is the transition period between wakefulness and sleep. It is a light sleep stage where you can be easily awakened. It's also during this stage that you may experience sudden muscle contractions or the sensation of falling. N2 or stage 2, this is the first actual stage of defined sleep. Your heart rate slows down and your body temperature drops. Eye movement stops and brain waves become slower, with occasional bursts of rapid waves called sleep spindles. N3 or stage 3, this is the deepest and most restorative stage of sleep, often referred to as slow wave or delta sleep. During this stage, blood pressure drops, breathing becomes slower and more regular, muscles are relaxed, and tissue growth and repair occur. This is also the stage where the body strengthens its immune system. It's usually harder to be awakened during this stage, and if someone is awakened, they may feel disoriented for a few minutes. That's why it is called deep sleep. During deep sleep, our body repairs and regenerates tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. On the other hand, REM sleep is the stage when we dream. It's vital for our brain function, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. Both REM and non-REM sleep are essential for our overall health, and their balance is crucial for optimal well-being. The importance of sleep becomes very clear when we look at the effects of sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, from mood disorders and memory issues to physical ailments like heart disease and obesity. Poor cognitive function. Sleep deprivation affects our attention, memory, and decision-making abilities, leading to decreased productivity and increased risk of accidents. Emotional imbalance. Insufficient sleep can make us more irritable, anxious, and prone to mood swings. Weakened immune system. Chronic sleep deprivation weakens our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. Weight gain. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to experience weight gain due to hormonal imbalances and increased appetite. We've all had those nights where sleep seems elusive. But there are steps you can take to improve your sleep quality and overall health. Now that we understand the importance of sleep, let's discuss some practical tips on how to improve sleep quality. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate our body's internal clock, promoting better sleep. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Make your bedroom a comfortable and relaxing space by keeping it dark, cool, and quiet. Limit exposure to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Incorporate relaxation techniques. Practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the mind and prepare the body for sleep. Be mindful of food and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can disrupt sleep. Sleep is an essential aspect of our lives, and its impact on our well-being and daily performance cannot be overstated. By understanding the science of sleep and implementing practical tips to improve sleep quality, we can transform our nights and energize our days. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of sleep but also the quality. So, take the time to prioritize your sleep and invest in your health and well-being. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of sleep, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences about sleep in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.